Hey YouTube, today we got a 2023 Toyota Highlander Hybrid and we're going to be replacing air filters. First of them is going to be engine air filter, then we're going to move on to a cabin air filter, and lastly we're going to be replacing the high voltage battery air filters. For the engine air filter, we're going to have to open the driver's door and pop the hood. Under the hood, on the driver's side, you'll find this filter box. Simply undo these two clips, pull the box towards the back of the vehicle and up, and there's your filter. And this will be your OEM number for the engine air filter. So your cabin air filter is located behind the glove box, so you're going to have to open it up and then push on the side of the glove box while pulling down as well on both sides. Do the same thing. Now once your glove box is unhinged, take that strut off, and the filter is located in this compartment right here. Remove the cover and remove your filter. Simply remove your old filter out of the tray and install your new one. Now notice there is an arrow up on the front of the tray, and we're going to want to match that to the filter airflow. With your new filter in the tray, we're going to install the tray back in the filter box. Once again, note the arrow is pointing up. We're going to reinstall the front cover. Once again, arrow is pointing up. So we're going to slide in driver's side first and clip the passenger side. Now to reinstall this glove box, you simply align the hinges. And with it in the horizontal position, you simply push up on it. Now you're going to have to remount the strut. When the strut is attached, you simply push up on it and close. Now to replace your high voltage battery air filters, you're going to have to open the rear door and look under the seat. You'll see this grill mesh. So you're going to need a flathead screwdriver, and on the front of the vehicle you simply pry this grill off just like that and pull it out. There's your air filter for high voltage battery. And just like that, I already replaced this filter off camera. Once again, it's going to be in the tray, just like with the cabin air filter. Look how dirty old one is. This is what's collected in 70,000 miles. So to reinstall this, simply slide these pins on the back into the holes and just clip it on the front. And reinstall your grill. While you're at it, you may want to vacuum as well. And repeat the same thing on the other side. So we're now on the driver's side. Once again, I'm going to stick my screwdriver in and I'm going to pry this front grill. And the clip is in the back on this side. This filter is a little bit cleaner, but still dirty. And once again, I already replaced this filter off camera. Once again, you slide the two pins. This side, it has pins on the front of the vehicle. You slide them in and you clip on the back. Now reinstall your front grille. You still have to slide in the back and clip on the front. And just like that, all your filters are done.